Hello, welcome student. Today we are going to start with the next topic, that is output unit. The output unit is used for displaying or printing the processed data in your readable form, that means in user readable form, that means you can get that output. Actually, when we talk about the working of computer, then it takes input, then process it and finally give us output. Input devices you have already studied, those which are used to take data from the user, and output device now which we are going to study are those devices on which the output is produced. A computer can have several output devices attached to it. Some of them are common output devices which are listed below. The first output device that we are going to talk about is monitor. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. Monitor is the most common output device. It is called VDU, an electronic visual display for the computers. I think every computer that you have seen comes with a monitor or a screen where the information, the processed information, is to be displayed. Just like a television, a monitor has display the output on the screen. The picture on a monitor is made up of thousands of small colored dots called pixels. The full form of pixel is picture element. The monitor screen is composed of small dots known as pixels. Monitor resolution is measured in pixels. When we talk about the resolution of monitor, that means how many number of pixels are there in a monitor. As the number of pixels are more or high, the quality and the display quality is also considered to be a very high. For example, 1920 multiplied by 1080 means the width of the monitor in terms of pixel is 1920 and the height is 1080, that means 1080. The output displayed on the monitor is called soft copy. I think you all have knowledge about soft copy and hard copy. When we display anything in on monitor, it is known as soft copy, and when we take printout of it, it is known as hard copy. The most common type of monitors are first CRT, second LCD and TFT, and third LED. CRT stands for cathode ray tube, LCD liquid crystal display, TFT thin film transistor, and LED light emitting diode. First of all, we are going to talk about the CRT monitor. CRT monitors are the older monitor which usually we do not use now these days, but I think so that you have seen it. CRT monitor were the most common monitor until flat panel screen become affordable. They consist of electron gun. In these monitor, a beam of electron lights up the pixels or phosphorus dots, which form the inner coating of the screen. Color is achieved by combining RGB, that means red, green and blue shades of different intensities. So in this technology, we use a picture tube in which there is an electron gun and through which electron beam is to be passed on the inner surface of the monitor where the phosphorus coating is there, and when the electron beam hits those surface, it emits light and we see the pictures or we see the text. CRT monitors are bulky and occupy a lot of space. ये बहुत भारी होते हैं और ये बहुत space भी लेते हैं. They are available in various size like 14 inch, 15 inch, 17 inch, 21 inch. Depending on your users and your budget, you can buy them. A CRT monitor still has better contrast ratio and viewing angles than any other type of कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर। मतलब इसका व्यूइंग एंगल और इसका कंट्रास्ट रेशियो बहुत अच्छा होता है, क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी होती है। और लेकिन इसकी साइज़ जो है उसके कारण अब आज की डेट में इसको बहुत कम यूज़ करते हैं। Second one is LCD, liquid crystal display. As the name suggests, it uses some induced liquid which is used to form uh, the diagrams or the output of the computer. LCD monitor are relatively thinner and lighter than CRT monitor. They can use or they use the light modulating property of liquid crystals. Liquid crystal do not emit light directly. They save a lot of space and can be mounted on walls. तो ये लाइट मॉड्यूलेशन टेक्निक यूज़ करता है और ये कम स्पेस लेता है और इसको हम वॉल पे भी माउंट कर सकते हैं। दे प्रोवाइड अ वाइड व्यूइंग एंगल एंड कम इन वेरियस साइज रेंजिंग फ्रॉम 17 to 60 inches. They display sharp images and require very less power as compared to the previous monitor, that means CRT monitor. इसकी जो क्वालिटी होती है वो ज़्यादा मतलब हम ये कह सकते हैं कि आई फ्रेंडली होती है, ये आँखों पे ज़्यादा इफ़ेक्ट नहीं डालती है, साइज़ इसकी कम होती है, पावर रिक्वायरमेंट इसकी बहुत ही कम होती है। देन आफ्टर वी आर हैविंग द थर्ड वन, लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड। अच्छा, एलसीडी को ही हम टीएफटी भी बोलते हैं, थिन फिल्म ट्रांजिस्टर, जिससे जो हमारे आउटपुट होती है वो एक थिन फिल्म का यूज़ करके प्रोजेक्ट की जाती है ऑन द मॉनिटर स्क्रीन। देन आफ्टर लाइट एमिटिंग डायोड, एलईडी। LED display is the latest development in this field. These monitors are light emitting diode that act as performance booster in them. LED monitor offer better color quality, clarity and display than LCD monitors. इनकी जो क्लियरिटी होती है, इनकी जो पिक्चर क्वालिटी होती है वो LCD monitors के कंपैरिजन में ज़्यादा होती है। These monitors are flat, thinner and lighter in weight. The biggest advantage of LED display is efficient and low energy consumption, which is especially needed for handheld and chargeable devices such as mobile phone, tablet and laptop, and this is the reason why in our mobile phone, in our laptop or in televisions we are seeing this kind of screen or this kind of monitor very often. Now if we talk about the newer type of LED monitor, so we are now having OLED. It stands for organic light emitting diode, which also very edgy and clear, gives very clear image. At the same time it is very much eye friendly. Now next thing is touch screen monitor. Touch screen monitor is just like monitor VDU, but the difference between a simple monitor and a touch screen monitor is we can give input to with the help of touch screen monitor. A touch screen is a special monitor that allows the user to input information by touching the icons or graphical buttons present on the screen. One can enter only a limited amount of data by using the touchscreen technology. It is also used in ATM machines, offices, and Cineplex to retrieve the desired information. I think you all have seen it in railway station or in ATMs, etc. Then after, the next topic is